So those of y'all who watch a lot of my videos know that I do a lot of filming in my house, and y'all see that I usually have stuff everywhere. Here's my basement. It actually looks halfway decent, if you think this is halfway decent, because we had people over this weekend and I attempted to clean it up. But this used to be my place. It used to be spick and span always, but when I started bringing my eBay stuff home, it started getting crazy. So oh, I just sold something on my website though. And so yeah, so I got this, and then I have my other room. It used to just be my sock slash whatever room, and look at it. It's like can't even walk in here. All right. So this is like my everyday room. It used to just be my sock stuff. A lot of room, a lot of space, and I use it for eBay storage, which I got DVDs over there. I got something right here. I got this over here. Look at all that over there. That's that room. All right. I have a little storage in here, which look, I got ink in here, and I don't even turn on the light because it's so crazy in there. So I got that. So as you could see, or if you was living in my home and you were probably, and you didn't have anything to do with eBay and you hated eBay, you would probably be mad all the time, right? Let me show you my garage. And garage actually looks halfway decent, not really decent, but it's usually stuff everywhere. And the reason why I have this open space here is because I'm getting a new garage door. We decided to go black on my garage door. My wife, as you can see how this is open right here, pulled the car in, left half out. The sensors didn't pick it up. Let the garage door down, and it kept going down, and it kind of split it. All this right here. So I'm getting new garage doors. I'm glad because we're getting a black one. And it's gonna set off the house. It's gonna look pretty good. Anyway, we're not talking about that. Look, I got stuff over here. Over here. Look at all this. This is where I keep a lot of my eBay stuff is. So as you can tell, cars hasn't been in the garage in a while, which we love having cars in the garage. When it's cold, pulling in here, getting out, when it's raining, it's great. And my wife loves doing that, but hasn't been able to do that for a while because of all this. So with all that being said, I got something that I'm really excited about. I just finished crossing the T's, dotting the I's, and I got some storage.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to go over it now. I'm gonna show you what's up. And yeah, I just think it makes sense, you know. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk about that now. I'll talk about that when I get there. So let's head over there, all right? All right, but first, before we go over and take a look at it, I got a package. I got some viewer mail.
No, we're playing ping pong.
Wait a minute, I got some viewer mail. I'm about to play ping pong with you right after this, all right? And I'm gonna put it on video because I'm gonna kick your butt here in a few.
How you gonna put it on video? We gonna set it up?
I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna kick your butt. No. Anyway, I got some viewer mail. The reason why I laughed at first at that because this is from Matt, part-time picker. Thanks a lot, Matt, for viewing the channel. But he sent me something, and I'm about to get. Actually, I already opened it, and anyway, let's just get into it. He got a note, and it says for the new humidor. And it's crazy because I only mentioned this for a quick second. When I was out sourcing, I looked up and found the humidor, which I got right here. I've been looking one for him for my bar. And because I just want, you know, I get cigar from time to time, and on a special occasion, you know, a celebration. I know I don't smoke. You're right. It's bad for you.
But you did it like last month.
Why you put my business out there? Anyway, listen. Anyway, for special occasions, you understand? So anyway, he sent me some cigars. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He hooked your brother up. What we got here? We got some 5 Vegas. What else we got? What we got here? All different types, man. So shout out for Matt, part-time picker. All 99.2 of y'all, I'm sure, subscribe to Matt from my channel. So the 0.8 that's not, go over and subscribe to his channel, man. The boy knows what he's talking about. He kills it on eBay. His sourcing is incredible, and he knows what he's doing. So go follow him if you're not already following, which I'm sure everybody is following. Good looking out, Matt, man. I didn't even know you caught that, man. That was a little bitty part of my video, and you caught it. Now,
what is that?
I just got back from Mexico. And I got some cohibas. And guess what? These are gonna go in nice.
Those are cigars.
Yeah. Nice.
You
We got
only
a cutter and all that in there.
No, you only smoked a cigar once.
Boom.
Because you wanted to try it.
Bruh.
Devin, why you put my business out there? Go over and chill. I'm about to go over here and kill him in ping pong real quick. Let's do it. All right, you ready to get your butt kicked?
I don't know where ping pong
Look,
paddle is.
if you don't know, it's right there. It's up there. You ready?
Yes, we're going.
Let's
Wait,
go.
can I see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Let's go. You scared? Don't be scared now.
No.
1,
Hey,
2,
that's not fair. You cannot do that.
3.
You can't do that.
Let's go!
You can't do that. You can't do
You got one. It's your point. It's your point. It's your point. Come on.
No!
5 point. 9, 2, 8.
Yeah.
9, 9, 9.
You're speeding.
Wait, come on. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. You say you won't kick my butt. Yeah. Big on Joe. Jail. Big on Joe. Oh, jail.
Bruh.
Let's go over and look at the, yeah, okay. It's about 2 miles from the house, not even that, 1.5 miles. I run past it sometimes when I go running. And I think it's gonna be big. I just signed the papers, got my keys, and I'm on my way, well, I'm turning in now as we speak, to meet up with my guy. We've got a couple tables we're gonna put in there, and then we're gonna set up slowly but surely. But today, I'm about to show you exactly what it looks like, all right? So, I'm about to pull up now, I'm pulling up now, and let's take a look, tour. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Your boy then got a spot for his eBay. Check me out. Well, first, let me show you what's going on here. Got about 3 rooms. This room right here is just whatever you're gonna make it. I plan on making it maybe a little lounge spot. If I gotta come here and pack some stuff up, my kids can sit here, maybe a little TV. I just got that table there for now. But yeah. Plan on making this little storage for boxes, maybe shipping. Don't know how I want to set up yet. We'll see, and I'll let you know why I said that here in a few. And this right here is where all the product is gonna be. Nice spot. Reason why I said that about the shipping area, because these got 2 big windows, and I think I want to have some window space. So what I think I'm gonna do, that's why I put this table here. Is have this, table here, bubble wrap, whatever. Blah, 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 blah. And then, this area over here will have all my product, shelves and stuff like that. I want to do all wheels. That way I can push and pull and do whatever. I'll put wherever I want to put it at. Anyway, enough of that. Y'all see the spot. I decided to upgrade. It just made sense. All the T's was crossed. All the I's was dotted. It's like 1.1 miles from my house. I run past this place every time I go running. And it just makes sense. Plus, the rent is crazy good. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually doing this with my guy, my neighbor for years, Scott. He does eBay too, and he kills it. And we've been talking about this for a while. And like I said, it only makes sense. When you're trying to scale up, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. My house was overrun, my basement was overrun, my garage was overrun, and of course, I make socks and I do other stuff too. All that's gonna come here too, and the utilities is free. I'm gonna bring my stuff here and use all my electric that I use for my socks, which is a lot here. So that's gonna save me money right there. So yeah, man, your boy done got a spot, man. I think it's important. If you're trying to scale up, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta live life on the edge and figure it out. I think it's just gonna streamline everything and make everything better for me as far as coming here an hour out of my day, shipping some stuff off, and then going back home. You know what I'm saying? Instead of tripping over myself in my garage and basement all the time. See what I'm saying? So it's gonna open up. It's basically happy wife, happy life. My wife is happy for me to get this, all right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, man, this is what we got. All right. I don't know what else to say to y'all, man. This is gonna be a short video. I just wanted to kind of show y'all what was going on. My every other day videos has been kind of slow because I've been working on this, and I finally got the key today. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. As far as, you know, branching out and stuff, how y'all feel about that? I know a lot of people say, you know, stay small, you know, not stay small, but you know, as far as income and paying for a brick and mortar and stuff like that, I'm not doing that. This is, yeah, what can I say? I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and see what else we got in store. And I gotta go get a couple keys made because they only gave us one key. And y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm all over the place. I didn't write nothing down. I'm just kind of recording my process, and y'all will see a lot more videos of this place because right now it's empty. And hopefully next time you see it, I have some of my shelves up and, you know, some product in here, some boxes and stuff like that. And also we're going with a theme. We're going with a poster theme. That's what my neighbor wants to do. So, you know, nice, funny postal signs and postmans and stuff like that. We're gonna throw some of that stuff on the wall, make it look nice, you know what I'm saying? So I got kids, so I'm gonna have them with me sometime. So in this area over here, I plan on putting a couch and TV for them. So yeah, man, it's, you know, we got ideas. Anyway, I'm rambling. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think as far as scaling out as far as a business. You know, when it's okay to get a place, you know, and pay that monthly, and when it's okay to just stay at home and not have to worry about that. So, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.